Let's go. Let's get it done. Hi there. Still looking for your key? Aye. Taking up a lot of your time. Well, I looked for your key and I've got bad news. Oh, really? Yeah. It looks like you're going to have to find something else to do with your time because I've got the key for you. What's that about time? You're going to have to look, like, you know, you said thinking and worrying about getting your keys. It's taking up a lot of your time. You're going to have to think of something else to take up your time. Bad news. Oh, no, I was wanting to get that off my mind. I was wanting to get keys. It's just a wee thing. It's like something you would see in the X Factor. You know, like judges hussies and then say, I've got bad news. You're going to be seeing a lot more of me. You're through to the lives. You know, like that. I didn't like it. I loved it. You know, like that.
I'm a blacksmith. I'm nothing without my tools.
No, that's a shame.
Bring me that key. Chop chop.
Okay.
I'm a blacksmith. Bring me that key. Chop chop.
What's going on? Oh! I opened the door. I have the key. Therefore, that is my house. Let's do it again.
Ah, yes. Very good. Now I can get to work.
Let's go.
But first, let me set up. Come again later.
Don't tell me. They didn't want to do a standing up and walking animation. I get it.
Ah, yes. Very good. Now
Very good.
I can get to work.
Very clever. Come back a wee bit later. Once I do my walking animation. Well, would you look at that? Whoops.
Those are my things. I will not do your blacksmithing for you. Not only that, I will speak to my network of blacksmiths, and they will give you nothing either.
Thought maybe that would happen.
You.
Yo.
Stand back. This is dangerous work.
I'd like
The
something.
name's Lenigrast.
Lenigrast,
Just
right?
a simple blacksmith.
Dimple. Nothing
And
to
you
see.
are... another useless traveller.
I'm the guy who got you your
A
keys.
man ought to labour with his feet planted firmly in the earth. Not roam around like you flirtatious vagabonds.
Look how beautiful I'm compared to him.
Oh, what does it matter? Go on, show me what you've got. Your equipment. Let me have a look.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh, maybe I will. Maybe I will, but, you know, whatever happened to sweet talking? Whatever happened to a bouquet of flowers, box of chocolates, perfume, a rom-com up the back of the pictures, and what else? I'll read Wonder Zero. Dan, thanks for subs, thank you very much. Up the back. No, not the back end. The back row. The pictures, that's what I call the cinema. Right. No items are in need of repair. That's a lie. Oh no, then again, I arrested this, right. Right. Fucking... the straight sword. Let's see everything else that I've got. I'm going to level up this fucking straight sword, everybody. I'm leveling it up for 120 to 132 damage. It's a broadsword. Oh, it's a straight, the type is a straight sword. Broadsword, everybody. We ready? This is it. He sells things, well first I want this done. Yes. See what he sells? Sea sells seashells. Longsword. What have I got? Broadsword. That does 100. Currently what I've got is 120. This starts at 100 and... what's the requirements? Down the bottom there. Requirements and then what it scales by. Anyway, broadsword. Basically I want anything that... oh look, battle axe. I need more strength though. The hand is dexterity, that is strength. I think I'm happy with treat us out a halberd. I don't think I'm there yet. I'm not there yet. Blunt damage. What I don't want to do is chuck a fucking titanite shard into one of these things and then I realise, or I get told by one of yous, you should have went for one of the other weapons and then leveled that up. Mace is very good. Oh, aye, B. Starts at 120. Levels up with... Do you think I should go for the mace? Wait a minute. Fucking battle axe starts at 140. It requires 15 strength though. A lot of blunt weapons are good. Do you think I should go for the mace? Go for the mace. 1200. Any of those are better than the shite broadsword. Clobbering fucking time, right? Tell you what.
Don't waste my time.
Shut up. You wouldn't have this fucking place if it wasn't for me because you fucking lost him, you fucking algae cunt. Losing fucking everything. Sorry, everybody. Look, I'm sorry. Alright? I said sorry. Alcoholism is a disease. I'm a fucking alcoholic, alright? 20 years I've not had a fucking drink for come this June. I'm not going to call it alcoholism though. No, I have whatever it is.